With more than 35 years of experience in manufacturing karaoke amplifiers, BMB is one of the oldest and most reputable karaoke amplifier manufacturers in the world. Designed in Japan using the latest DSP technology exclusive to BMB, they can build the most advanced karaoke amplifiers that no other company can match. BMB has accumulated more years of experience in designing the best sound and the most durable amplifiers than any other karaoke amplifier on the market. Sourcing the highest grade components made in Japan ensure long-lasting and high-endurance power delivery. BMB can guarantee their amplifier will continue working in the most stressful environments that no other company can promise you. BMB sets its quality control as their #1 priority. All BMB amplifiers must be able to pass a 24-hour, 7-day endurance test at maximum power output to receive a stamp of approval for sale. This rigorous test is to ensure that the amplifier can last and function properly in the most stressful environments. No matter how much you use it, BMB guarantees their amplifiers will always be functioning at its top performance. With its future-proof design, BMB's DAS amplifier can be updated with the latest firmware to ensure it has the most advanced functions. This design allows users to enjoy the latest karaoke technology in the future without having to buy a completely new amplifier. 5-year warranties are offered with all DAS amplifiers. Within those 5 years, if your amplifier is damaged by normal use, BMB will repair or replace it for you, free of charge. BMB has 2 models to the DAS product line, the DAS-150 and the DAS-300. The main difference in these 2 models is their power output, with the DAS-150 being able to support up to 150 watts, while the DAS-300 can support up to 300 watts and up to 4 channels. Aside from those differences, the amplifiers are virtually the same. The DAS amplifiers have a new signature champagne gold tone and chrome dials for unprecedentedly pleasing aesthetics, elegance, and a sense of luxury. Its new minimalist design philosophy creates a beautiful enclosure with smooth edges and large knobs for easy audio adjustments. Both DAS amplifiers support a 4.3-inch colored LCD display where users can clearly see and easily adjust all the settings of the amplifier. A black center plate enhances aesthetics and offers better contrast around the backlit area of the LCD to improve readability. The simple navigation menu makes changing any setting quick and easy. The main display on the screen will show you the music, mic, and echo volume, as well as your EQ and echo presets, and a plus and minus 6 position key controller. There are direct buttons and knobs to adjust each of these settings that display on the LCD. To access the setting mode to further customize or adjust any of the presets, press and hold the EQ select button for 7 seconds. A secondary setting menu will appear where users can access volume, equalizer, music, echo, LCD, and system settings. Within the volume menu, you can set your default and max volume and echo settings to limit the maximum output for music, microphone, and echo volume. You can prevent your speaker from going too loud or from users turning the music volume to full power. This setting is also useful if your speaker cannot handle the full power output of the amplifier. In the equalizer menu, you can find the 6 predefined music EQ settings for both music and vocals. Users can fine-tune the music or vocals using the 10-way graphic equalizer. The music menu has input settings, front-rear adjustments, and amplifier modes. The fixed or audio input selector is a useful function that allows the DAS amplifier to switch to background video and audio source when no songs are being played. Or you can connect up to 3 karaoke players and the amplifier will automatically switch to an active player based on its input priority and video or audio signal detection. In the echo menu, users will find the 6 echo settings that are adjustable. They can then switch between the modes in the main display. Inside the LCD menu, you can find screensaver, brightness, and timer settings. The system menu will provide system information, language settings, and a reset option. On the front panel of the device, you'll find 3 microphone inputs as well as independent microphone volume knobs for each of these inputs. You also have 2 additional mic inputs on the back that are designed for wireless microphone setups. There is a talk over mode where users can disable the third microphone's echo function so that the third microphone can be used for speech, announcements, or even hosting, while the other 2 microphones can still be used for singing. On the back side of the device are your composite inputs for your karaoke device and 2 auxiliary devices. The karaoke and auxiliary 1 inputs have a sensitivity switch where users can set the sensitivity at which audio input levels are detected and switched automatically. All inputs have a level knob to manually adjust the volume if the source is too high or too low. There is also a sub-out and pre-out for your subwoofer and power amplifier. The pre-out also has an output level knob where users can manually adjust the levels. A RS-232C input allows users to connect the DAS amplifier to a central system or a computer to control all functions. The DAS amplifiers are water and drink spill proof. The amplifier itself is completely sealed within a metal casing. Any accidental water or drink spilled on top of the amplifier can be easily cleaned because there is no fan ventilation that will allow any liquid to leak into the amplifier. A pure amplifier mode allows users to disable all karaoke functions and use the DAS amplifier as a pure 150 watt or 300 watt amplifier. A built-in auto shutoff circuit is also available to protect the amplifier and speaker. Its internal monitoring circuit constantly checks all conditions of the amplifier. Whenever the circuit detects an unusual input, surge of power, or excessive temperature, the auto shutoff circuit will immediately shut down the amplifier to make sure nothing is damaged. Specific to the DAS-300 is the real 300 watts RMS output. The DAS-300 is designed to sustain 300 watts of continuous output without distortion or damage to the amplifier. Unlike other amplifiers in the market that will damage the amplifier or cause music distortion when maximum output is reached, BMB's amplifier is designed with much greater power, so outputting a constant 300 watts can easily be achieved without any problems. The DAS-300 also offers a 4-way sound position adjustment where users can adjust music balance between front and back and left and right. This powerful function allows users to compensate to any irregularly sized room to make sure the music comes out perfectly tuned. The DAS-300 can easily be switched from 150 watts to 300 watts on the back panel. An optional add-on is the remote controller, which has all the buttons and adjustments that are on the front panel of the device, but with additional input select buttons. With the reliability and versatility of BMB products and the 5-year warranty, the DAS amplifier is definitely the way to go. Look for the verification ID label on all authentic BMB products. For more information, please visit www.acekaraoke.com.